Oh my god, loads of them. Look at all the little tits. They're very frisky at the moment. I think it's mating season or something. Look at them. They're trying to shag. Huh? God, look at them all. Hello, look. Oh no, your fat balls are gone. Oh, there's another bit. Oh, look at them all. Oh, he's having that fat ball in the hot air balloon. See, there's a bit there still. Oh, look at them. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh. God, there's so many.